Assuming we wanted to switch to an Excel front-end cloud solution, can any of the work we have done in the current system be leveraged for a different solution, or do we need to start from scratch? What has been your experience?
That is a fantastic question. So what it really comes down to is coming out of that browser-based system, we really just need to see the data that's sitting behind it. Once, if we can access that data, and in most of these systems we can, then yes, we're going to leverage all of the things that you already had. We can bring that information over. You are not starting from scratch. On the template side, on the front end, so let's talk about the front end now. There would be some rework, obviously, because we can't take a browser-based application and just port it to Excel templates. So we would need to rebuild your templates, but you probably are going to want to change those templates anyway, because the browser-based app that you purchased kind of got close to what you wanted, but wasn't everything you wanted. Now you're going to be able to have everything that you've ever wanted. So great question. I hope that answered it.
That's great. Thank you so much.